Need to manage cryptographic keys and certificates in a Java application and have a KeyStore file? These store sensitive security credentials. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Java KeyStore files safely. Here's a professional insight. For those KeyStore files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. KeyStore files are Java. KeyStore files used by Java applications and the Android development ecosystem to store cryptographic keys, SSL certificates, and trusted certificate authorities. They serve as secure containers for digital signing keys, SSL server certificates, and authentication credentials protected by passwords. Java KeyStore files use the JKS Java KeyStore proprietary format or the standardized PKCS12 format. They store private keys, public certificates, and trusted certificate chains encrypted with a master password. Each entry has an alias and may have an additional entry-level password for sensitive private key access. Unity Technologies. Unity is the standard set by Unity Technologies for accessing the KeyStore format. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows cannot render protected content, so decoding relies on appropriate security software. To open this specific format, right-click your KeyStore file and select Open With. If Unity Technologies. Unity is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the key. If your KeyStore file will not open, do not worry. We're dealing with a highly specific KeyStore file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, opening with Keytool. Use the Java Keytool command line utility included with the JDK. Run Keytool, list, KeyStore, file name, KeyStore, and enter the password when prompted. Keytool displays all aliases and certificates within the KeyStore. Use additional flags like V for verbose output, showing certificate details, fingerprints, and validity dates. Next, using graphical tools. Install KeyStore Explorer from keystoreexplorer.org for a graphical interface to manage keystores. Open the KeyStore file, enter the password, and view all entries in a tree structure. KeyStore Explorer supports importing, exporting, and editing KeyStore entries across JKS, PKCS12, BKS, and other formats with intuitive workflows. Finally, converting between formats. Convert KeyStore files between formats using Keytool. To migrate from JKS to PKCS12, run Keytool. Import KeyStore, SR KeyStore source, KeyStore, des KeyStore, des.p12, des store type, PKCS12. Modern Java versions recommend PKCS12 over JKS for better cross-platform compatibility and stronger encryption standards. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.